Welcome to another episode of Quickfire. Today we're taking a closer look at the Chesney Sanctuary 5WS wood burning stove. This compact yet powerful stove is a great addition to any home, offering a beautiful balance of efficiency, style and functionality. Let's dive into the details. First, let's talk performance. The Sanctuary 5WS is a 5kW stove, making it ideal for small to medium sized rooms. It's DEFRA exempt for use in smoke control areas, so it's perfect for urban homes that want to stay eco-friendly. With an impressive efficiency rating of 86.4%, you'll get more heat from less fuel, saving money and reducing your environmental impact. In terms of dimensions, the Sanctuary 5WS has a height of 652mm, a width of 480mm, and a depth of 390mm. Its size makes it versatile for both modern and traditional interiors, whether you're working with limited space such as a fireplace or a larger open plan area. One of the standout features of this stove is its easy to use air control system. I mean, just look how many tertiary air holes are on the back brick, allowing for the gases to be reburnt before leaving the stove. It has a simple single control that pulls forward and pushes back to regulate the airflow, with a little notch partway along to indicate the optimum setting. The glass window is designed to stay clean thanks to the built-in air wash system, meaning you should always have a clear view of those mesmerising flames providing you're burning dry fuel. Plus, the stove is designed to meet Ecodesign 2022 standards, ensuring it burns cleanly and efficiently, and there is an optional external air kit available too. So, whether you're in a city flat or a rural cottage, this stove is ready to make your space warmer and greener. When it comes to design, the Sanctuary 5WS is all about understated elegance. It's available in a classic black or a range of other colours to suit your decor. You can also select from silver or brass furniture to complete the look, and for those who like options, you can choose between this short leg version or a taller log store base for added practicality. The stove itself is made from steel, while the door is cast iron. There is no door handle as such to open, giving the Sanctuary 5 an uncluttered look. Just don't forget to use your glove for when it's time to add more wood. Ouch! Thanks to the team at Kingsworthy Foundry near Winchester in Hampshire for allowing me to film in their showroom today and bring the stove to you. I left a link in the description to their website, as if you're local, you should pay them a visit to see the Chesney Sanctuary 5 wood stove firsthand. And if you'd like to see an in-depth stove spotlight on this stove, then like this video and drop a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more quickfire reviews, from fireplace stoves like this to 360-degree masterpieces and everything in between.